How to start a blog for free using GrooveBlog. In this video, I'm going to show you what it looks like inside the GrooveBlog dashboard and walk you through step by step how to get everything set up for your blog. Now, keep in mind, it has only just been released and it is still in beta, but I'm really impressed with how it is so far. It's really sleek and fast, and I've just had a little play around and it's really simple, everything inside it. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, my name's Silas Haig and I share tips and tricks for solopreneurs, freelancers, or anyone looking to start or grow their online business. So let's jump into the screen and get started. So here we are inside the Groovefunnels dashboard. Now, if you haven't already got your free Groovefunnels account, which includes GrooveBlog, I'll leave a link down in the description below. And if you go through that link to get your free account, you'll also get access to my exclusive bonuses too. So for GrooveBlog, all we have to do is we go to apps here on the left-hand side, scroll down and click GrooveBlog here. And then we want to create our first blog here. So all we have to do is click new blog, and we'll just call this test blog. And so here we are, it's already loaded up with some template and some sample posts and things like that. And this is how the home page will look inside GrooveBlog. And so the first thing we want to look at is the post section here. So if you click on posts, and then this shows you all the sample posts that we got to start with. So we can create a new post here by just clicking new post. And here's where we just enter everything about our blog. So we'll just go blog post title. And this is where you'd obviously enter in the description about your blog. So you can just, we'll just put some sample text there just to show you what it would look like. And then you can mess around with the text here, making it bold, italic, underline, striking through it if you want. You can link it to a URL. You can make it numbered. You can add bullet points. You can change it to be a heading if you want. There's plenty of things you can do inside here. That's the color of the text, and that's the alignment if you want it to be the center, for example. And then we can also add in different things here. So you can add in pictures. Let's just add in a picture here. Let's just add in this picture. There we go. And you can also add in lots of different other, so that's just pictures. You can also add in videos. If you just paste in your video link, it will just add in the video there, and just press enter. And then once you're done with your post, you can, we can also check the settings here. So we can choose an image to be the featured image when someone sees the blog. So let's just pick a different one. Let's just go for this one just for sake of it. And then the post slug, this is after your domain. So it will say it will be yourdomain.com /post, and then it will be the end of the URL. So we'll just go blog, sample blog, something like that. And this publish date, this is if you don't want to publish it right away, you can actually schedule the post in at a later date. So you can even do it to the exact time. Now categories, this is how you add your post to a certain category. And if you want to add in a new category, let's just add a new category. I'll call it test category. There, and this again, it is the same with the slug. This is the description of your category. And this is if you want to show the description in the navigation. Click done there. So we have a new category. Let's add that one to the category. Now this is tags. This is the tags of the post. So if someone's searching through your blog and they have certain tags in their search, this post will come up. So I'll just do sample content, and then this is the excerpt. So this is like the kind of first intro part to the blog post. So you usually just have the first maybe paragraph or so. Now you can allow comments, so you can have people comment on the post. Now the metadata, this is all for SEO purposes. And then we have this is for the edit open graph. This is for social sharing. So if you're sharing it on Facebook, this is how it will look on Facebook, what will be shown. And then you can also have custom code here. So you can add in your own custom code. Now, once we're happy with the blog, we'll publish it. You don't need to click save and publish. Publish and save are pretty much the same thing here. And then we have our new blog here, new blog post. Now here we have categories. Now categories, as you can see, we've got the test category here, and we can edit this category if we want. We've already made it inside Groove, inside the post. And here we've got the themes. So this is the overall look of the blog. There's a few different ones here at the moment, and I'm sure soon they'll have new ones. And then after that, we've got navigation. So actually, if we go on the home page here, whilst we click on navigation, it might show up as we do it. So let me just move myself out of the way. Here we've got, this is the top navigation here. So this is these three things here. So if we want to edit this, let's edit this software. We'll change it to, I don't know, my site. And then you can have a link, a URL link to your own site as well. Or if this is your site, to another site or something like that. And just click update, and then it'll update that. As you can see there, the change there. And then we've also got a call to action button here. So this is if you've got something that you want to send visitors to your blog to, if you want to send them to maybe something for free, or even your affiliate link for Groovefunnels or something like that. You can remove it if you don't want it, and you can edit it here as well. And then we've also got at the bottom, we've got the footer navigation. So this is here we've got community, privacy, policy, and review. So that's where you usually have those things. And again, you can do the same with that, and you can edit that and change that. And we've also got categories up here. So here, as you can see, this is the new category I just made, test category. With all of these, you can drag them and move them around if you want to move it to a different position. Very simple and easy to do, and you can just delete it there if you don't want certain categories within the navigation. You can just remove it there. And then here we've got the settings. Now this is everything, setting up everything within the blog. So this is the for every time someone lands on a blog post, this is the part of the URL. So it's just going to say post, and then it's going to have the slug which we changed earlier. Same, you can change the URL for the tags and for the categories. Now for the domain, at this stage we don't actually have, let's just call it test, that probably hasn't been done. At this stage we can only host it with the subdomain of GrooveBlog. We can't actually publish on our own domain, but I'm sure that will change soon. As with Groovepages, it took a little while, but now you can host on your own domain, and I'm sure the same will happen soon with GrooveBlog. So we'll save that and we'll see if it's actually been, yep, so that's been done. And then here we can add in our own logo. So I think it's just got a sample on there, and you can choose that and change your own logo. Now here we got the social link settings. So this is links to your different social media, and as you probably saw, it's at the bottom of the home page, I believe. So if someone clicked on that link, it would take them straight through to their Instagram, to your Instagram, your YouTube, or your Facebook link. So you literally just paste in your URL for each social media there. Here we've got the comment setting. So this is when you see a blog and it's got Facebook comments at the bottom or something like that, you can actually add in your own Facebook page with comments here, just using this. So form settings, that's your actual opt-in form. So if you want someone to opt in to your free newsletter or something like that and enter in their email address, this is where you make changes to the form here, and you can actually link it to GrooveMail once GrooveMail is fully functional. And you can also link this to Groovepages and everything else, all the other apps within the Groovefunnels suite of tools. And what I forgot to show you inside themes, you can actually customize your theme a lot more. So you've obviously got the different free themes there, but you can also add a lot of customization. So we can change the font of all the text inside here. I'll just zoom out a little bit so you can see a bit more here. You can change the font size of everything. You can change the font color. You can change all the colors of everything else inside here. The buttons, the links, all the different colors here. Even the image overlay. So this is the color here as you go over it, and even the transparency of that color. And you can even add in your own custom CSS to change the theme if you want to add different code to it there. And then within the layout, so for the home page, we've got show sidebar. So as you can see there, that changes that. And then we've also got show categories. So if you don't want to show the categories for each post, you can remove that. Here we've got the show opt-in form. So we can remove the opt-in form if you don't want that opt-in form. And then you can also change that to different theme styles as well there. And then within the post page, you can also remove the sidebar if you don't want that sidebar. And we've finally got the category page here. And again, you can just change the style if you want to change that style around. And then once you're happy with everything, you can just click save, and that'll save the theme. And now let's have a look at the actual blog here. So all I've done is just copied the URL. So it's just test.grooveblog.com. So this is the site live right now. As you can see, this is all the different posts here, and it looks really sleek, and it's quite easy to navigate, very quick to check everything there. We've even got the test category here. So we've got everything there, and that's our test blog post right there. So everything's very quick and simple to set up, and this is how you can actually set up your own blog using GrooveBlog. So like I said before, if you want to get your free Groovefunnels account, including GrooveBlog, there's a link down in the description which includes my bonuses. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Other than that, hope you have a great day, hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in another video.